Hello my dear students, I welcome you all for the next continued lecture of word problems based on some or the other. Now today we are doing word problems based on ages of father, mother, friend, Ritu, Manisha, whatever it is. Okay, so first of all I wish you all the best of the time that whatever day you are watching this video. Okay, and now let's start with the first question, which asks us that Rohan's mother, okay fine, am I in the range? Yes. Rohan's mother is 26 years, sorry, 26 years older than him. So of course you remember, if 26 years older than him, let Rohan's age be equal to x years. And then because it is x years, so Rohan's mother's age will be x plus 26 years. Fine. The product of their age in years, 3 years from now. This is very interesting. First of all, you will have to go 3 years from now. So 3 years from now means 3 years hence. Rohan's age will be what? See, today's age is x, so after 3 years his age will be, now supposing today your age is supposing 15 years, so after 3 years your age will be 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18 years. So today if anybody's age is 43 years, so after 3 years it will be 43 plus 3. So similarly, if today his age is x years, so today's age plus x, that will be his age or her age, that person's age, 3 years hence. Similarly, mother's age, 3 years hence will be, not present age is this, x plus 26. So present age plus 3, that will be x plus 29 years. That will be mother's age after 3 years. And now they are telling that, but then this, after 3 years, the product of their ages, see how they are just jumbling with the words. The product of their ages after 3 years. So first of all, you'll have to go 3 years after, that the age will be this. At that time, the product of the ages will be 360. That means this multiplication, product means multiplication. X plus 3 into x plus 29 is going to be equal to 360. Okay, my dear student. So this is how you will be getting this quadratic equation. That is more important over here. And now we have to only solve this. This is the most important part, because the rest of the part you must have already mastered. This is going to be x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 7, 87 is equal to 360. Now we will have to solve this. So we will get x square plus 29, 30, 31, 32x plus 87, 360 shifts over here, minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32x. This will get subtracted, 360 minus 87, 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7, and then this will give you 273 minus 273. Okay, so we can try once. 273, 3 9s are 27. This will again give what? 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are, then it is 13. So we want 32. 7 3s are 21 and 13 will definitely not give you this. Now what next? 13 3s are 39 minus 7 will definitely give you 32. So this is faster. Why this is faster, my dear student? Now see, 39 and 7, 39 and 7. Are you getting this? How I got this? 13 into 3 I did, 13 into 3, 39 and then 7. Okay, these are the numbers, and then I will give plus sign, this sign to the greater number plus, and then they have to get subtracted to become 32, therefore this will be minus. Okay, if I multiply this, I will get minus 273, that is right. So this is my right split. So what next I will do is that I'll take 39 over here, plus 39x plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. See my dear students, usually the bracket also will be having this same signs, x plus 39, x minus 7, whatever you have taken, x will come over here, x plus 39 minus 7 because minus has gone outside, plus x, 7 3s are 7 9s are. So this will be getting x plus 39 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 39 is equal to 0, or therefore x is equal to minus 39, or since age of Rohan, because x is age of Rohan, cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 7. Now you will have to take what we would like to find, Rohan's percentage, that's all. When they have asked you Rohan's, we would like to find Rohan's percentage, that's all. We can just stop it over here. Therefore Rohan's percentage is equal to x is equal to 7 years. That is more than sufficient, my dear students. Okay, so in this way you will reach to this solution. If they would have asked you mother's age, so x plus 26, 7 plus 26, that would have been mother's present age. Okay, my dear student, with this we have finished our first question. Now we can proceed to the second question. The second question is telling sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Sum, they have done sum. Sum means addition. Addition of what? Reciprocal. Reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago. Reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. These two ages they have added, but reciprocal, the two reciprocals they have added. Are you getting? They have found the reciprocal of Rahman's age 2 times. 3 years ago, the reciprocal of his age, whatever his age is 3 years ago, and reciprocal of the age, what he will be his age 5 years hence. That is given 1 upon 3. So first of all, let see my dear students, now you have to be Rahman's present age be equal to x years. Find his present age is equal to x years. Now see what they have done. They have found reciprocal of his age 3 years ago and 5 years hence. So first 3 years ago his age was how much? Now 3 years back means whatever his present age is minus 3 will give his age 3 years ago. Similarly 5 years hence means after 5 years his age will be how much? X plus 3 years. Are you getting? Today his age is x years, so after 5 years, x plus, oh my god, 5 years, so x plus 5. That's what they have done. Sorry, 3 years ago means you'll have to subtract 3, you'll have to go 3 years back means minus 3. 5 years hence means plus 5. But now they have done what? They have taken the reciprocals of this. They have done the sum. But sum of what reciprocal? 1 upon x minus 3 and 1 upon x plus 5. This sum is equal to 1 upon 3. Try to understand this. Once this is done, then you have done. Bas, that is the only thing that you have to have the knowledge when you are doing word problems. Rest all is simple. This will multiply, cross multiply x plus 5 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 3. X plus x will give you 2x plus 5 minus 3 will give you 2 upon x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. This comes over here, 6x plus 6. 3 comes over here, 3 is multiplying. When it multiplies, it will multiply by 2 also and 2 also. And this goes on the other side, x square plus 5x minus 3x will give you plus 2x minus 15. Fine. Now I bring, actually I'm shifting everything over there. X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. So this will give you x square plus 2x minus 6x will give you minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 will give you minus 21 is equal to 0. Fine. And now this we will have to solve. This is very easy. 3 7 are 21. Okay, 3 7 are 21 means 7 minus 3 will give you 4. So the split are how? 3 7 are 21 is going to be a split. You want minus 21. Remember this. Fine. Now this sign will be go to the greater number, so this will be minus and then this will be plus. If you multiply these two, you will be getting minus 21. So that is right. Plus 3 minus 7. So I'll write over here x square plus 3x minus 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. So this gives you x plus 3. Minus has gone outside. Be careful. Plus 3 is equal to 0. So you get x plus 3 in one bracket and x minus 7 in another bracket. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 7. Fine. So this is what you have got. X is equal to 7. So let Rahman's percentage. Therefore Rahman's. Oh, but here since age cannot be negative, x is equal to 7. Therefore Rahman's present age is equal to x, that is going to be equal to 7 years. That's all. Find this present age. You have to always look what is being asked, otherwise then again you will be trapped. So in this case, third question, is the following situation possible? This will be if yes, actually. If yes, then determine the present ages. If it is possible, then determine the present ages. Sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Sum of the ages of, see here, sum of the ages of two friends is say 20 years. So first age, whoever is first friend plus second friend is equal to 20. So you can take anything. Let one friend's age be equal to x years. So if this age is, this friend's age is x years, so second friend's age will be what? X will go on the other side. This you have to be very careful. 20 minus x. X is going shifted on the other side. When it is subtraction, you have to be extra careful. You cannot write x minus 20. Otherwise, everything will be doomed. You will get all type of absurd answers. Okay. So that you have to be very careful. First age plus second age. First person's age plus second person's age is 20. First person's age be x. The second person's age will be x goes on the other side. 20 minus x. Therefore, second friend's age is equal to 20 minus x years. Now what? Next they are telling sum of their ages. Okay. Sum of the ages of two friends. This is we have done. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Now that's what you have to do. 4 years ago, product of their ages, what's so and so. But first of all, 4 years ago, I usually do this. I give a heading. First friend's age would be equal to, now 4 percentage is x. 4 years ago will be x minus 4 years. Second friend's age would be today it is 20 minus x minus 4. So 20 minus 4 would be 16 minus x years. Okay, these are their ages. One is this, the other one is this. That is the 4 years ago. And then they are telling 4 years ago the product of their ages was 48. Product of their ages means according to given information. This x minus 4 into 16 minus x. This product is equal to 48. That's all. Now we have to solve. Then they are asking if determine the percentages. Okay, fine. So this, if I go to solve, x into 16 will be 16x minus x square minus 16 into 4, 64 plus 4x. Okay, is equal to 48. 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x. Fine. So now what I do is that I take x square on the other side. Remember, I am shifting x square over here, but while writing, I am writing over here. 16x minus 64. No, 16x plus 4x will give you 20x, but I am shifting 20x on the other side. Minus 20x. Minus 64 I am shifting on the other side. Plus 64. And this is still on there. This is going to be equal to 0. This will be x square minus 20x plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 122 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. Again, I will do the same thing, 122. If you are comfortable with it, otherwise you can go by formula method. One or the other you have to crack. Either square root you will have to find, otherwise you will have to crack this too. Oh, this is going to be something different. 61. Forget. It's better I go by. But the only thing is that I have to, one look I have to give that whether I have given the right figures. X 20 minus x, because the sum is 20, it is 20 minus x. 4 years ago, so therefore x minus 4, 20 minus x minus 4 will give you 20 minus 4 is 16, and then 16 minus x. I will have to multiply these two figures. This will be 16x minus x square minus 4, 6 are 24, minus 64, this is also right, plus 4x is equal to 48. Minus x square goes over there, 64 plus 48, 48, 64, 74, 84, 94, 104, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. This is right. So this is supposedly right. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, and c is equal to 122. Therefore b square minus 4ac is going to be minus 20 square minus 4 of the formula 1 into 122. That's why it is not coming. This is going to be 400. But square of a negative number also is possible. This is going to be minus 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. This is going to be minus 88. Since b square minus 4ac is definitely less than 0, this is what we have got. Therefore, the roots are not real. Hence, the above situation is not possible. Bas. Okay, it is not possible. Fine. That's why the first question was that only. Is the following situation possible? That is not possible. Okay. Now, why it is not possible? That you have understood that because the value of b square minus 4ac is coming negative, and so the root of a negative number is not possible. So that's why this situation is not possible. So product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. That is what they are constantly playing, my dear students. Pragati's age. Let Pragati's present age be equal to x years. Fine. Present age is x years. So now product multiplication. Multiplication of what? Her age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. These two ages are multiplied. So first we will find age 2 years ago. So 2 years ago Pragati's age was. Now what will be that? Today is x. 2 years ago minus 2 x minus 2 years. Fine. Okay, and the other one they are telling 3 years hence. So 3 years hence her age will be, today is x plus 3. Fine, I hope now you are understanding this everything properly. Now they are telling product. Product means multiplication, so you have to multiply x, what am I doing? X minus 2 into x plus 3. This product was how much? 84 is equal to 84. This will give you x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 84. Fine, now we should go on solving. This will give you plus 3x minus 2x will give you x square plus 1x minus 6. This will come over here, minus 84 is equal to 0. X square plus x, this will give you 84 minus 90. Very simple, 10 9s are 90. 1 you want. What you want is 1. 10 9s are 90, but of course you require minus 90. So now here this sign will go to the greater number plus. Remember, this sign goes to the greater number. This is going to be minus. Plus 10 into minus 9 will give you minus 90. That is fine. So plus 10 minus 9. X square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. X goes out of the bracket, x plus 10 minus 9 x plus 10. What you get is x plus 10 in one bracket, x minus 9 in another bracket. For x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. For x is equal to minus 10, or x is equal to 9. That is finished. So what you get is, but since age cannot be negative, x cannot be equal to minus 10. This is you can write, therefore x is equal to 9. Therefore Pragati's present age is equal to 9 years. Okay, my dear student, this you can always counter check also. This is the best part. Today her age is 9 years. So they have multiplication done 2 years ago and 3 years hence. So if I go to counter check, today is her age is 9 years. So 2 years ago her age will be 9 minus 2, 7 years. And 3 years hence her age will be 9 plus 3, 12. If I multiply these two numbers, I'll definitely get 84. Fine. Remember this, always while counter checking the word problem, you should always go with the question and see whether you are what to be satisfying the conditions or not. Okay. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. It is so simple. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Let Kishore's age be equal to x years. Therefore Vivek's age will be, Vivek is older, means more, x plus 5. Yes. The sum of the reciprocals of their age is 1 upon 6. The sum of the reciprocal, they have done sum. This again you should actually write over here, according to the given information. We have to do sum of what? Reciprocals. X ka reciprocal 1 upon x, x plus 5 ka reciprocal 1 upon x plus 5. Reciprocal is always ulta. So actually x is what? X is actually, when x is nothing to denominator is got 1. The reciprocal will be 1 upon x. X plus 5 is x plus 5. Nothing, denominator, the denominator is 1. The reciprocal will be 1 upon x plus 5. They have told that reciprocals, sum of the reciprocal of the range is 1 upon 6. So this will be equal to 1 upon 6. Now solve this. To solve this means counter cross multiplication, x plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon x. X plus x will give you 2x plus 5 into, now this I have x plus x I have done and 6 I have brought over here. This goes over there, but I will multiply also. X into x, x square plus 5x. Are you getting this? X square plus 5x. But then I multiplied also. Now this will be 12x plus 6 5 are 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now x square I am keeping over here. 12x goes over there, plus 5x stays over there, 12x goes over there, minus 12x, 30 goes over there, minus 30, and is equal to 0. So what do I get over here? X square. This will be sign of the greater than minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now again it is very simple. 10 3s are 30, but beware, 10 3s are 30 will give you, the subtraction will give you 7. That's okay. This sign will go to the greater number, and then because you want to subtract them, this has to be plus. If I multiply them, I will get minus 30. This is done. So I will write x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. X gets out. X minus 10 plus 3 into x minus 10. X minus 10. X plus 3. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10, or x is equal to minus 3. Fine. So now what you get is, now since this is again ages, since age cannot be negative, for x cannot be equal to minus 3, therefore x is equal to 10. Now they have asked you what? Find their present ages, there in both of them. So Kishore's age is x years, therefore Kishore's age is equal to x, that is equal to 10 years, and the other one is Vivek's age. Always take this only here, x plus 5, that will be equal to 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15 years. Now if I go to, so I am getting what? Kishore's age is 10 and Vivek's age is 15. Now what have they done? The sum of the reciprocals. Sum of the reciprocals, 15 ka reciprocal will be 1 upon 15, 10 ka reciprocal will be 1 upon 10. If I add them, it should be equal to 1 upon 6. If I cross multiply 10 plus 15, 115 to 10, 150. This will give you 10 plus 15, 25 upon 150. So if you see 25 1 the 25, 6 the 6 5 the 30, 6 12, 13, 14, 15, right? 1 upon 6. This is the way you should counter check, my dear students. Then you have understood it very nicely. Answer the basic right, but understanding the question and then solving is more important. Okay, so with this actually we have finished the questions that are based on this is what I'll be facing some problem over. No problem. With this we have finished the questions that are based on ages. We have finished considerable amount of questions, so I think you should be able to solve these questions. If we have any awkward questions still coming, then we can still go. So now we have got questions that are based on numbers. The numbers basically, before proceeding, my dear students, one thing you have to understand, see how we have done with the ages. When ages are there, then we know that if we have to go 3 years hence, means after 3 years. So after 3 years the age will be x plus 3, because you are going afterwards. If you are going to check, go behind, before, then the ages you will have to go on subtracting, like 10 years ago, that means x minus 10. So similarly, when it comes to numbers also, there are certain types of numbers, my dear students. One thing is you have to understand this and understand this concept, because everything is really very huge field. Consecutive will be, consecutive means just one after the other. Remember, consecutive natural numbers. See what is the relation between consecutive natural numbers? See, if one number is 4, so what will be the next number? The next number will be 5, next number will be 6. They always go on increasing by 1. They always go on increasing by 1. 4, the next will be 4 plus 1, 5. Next will be 5 plus 1, 6. You can even consider like this. First number is 4. The second number is 4 plus 1, 5. And what about the third number? I can write 5 plus 1, 6. I can also write 4 plus 2, 6. I am going on adding 1 over here, 2 over. Next will be 4 plus 3, 7. I can go on writing like this also. Consecutive numbers always go on increasing by 1. But if I go to take the smallest number as a number and then go on adding the other number, so I go on adding 1, so will give me next immediate consecutive number. Then I'll add 2 over here, then next number, add 3 over here, then next number, then add 4 over here, then next number. It can go on doing like this. So always consecutive natural numbers, they are always, the first number is x, the other one will be x plus 1, the other one will be x plus 2, the other one will be x plus 3, it goes on. This goes on. And there is a nice relation also, my dear students. Supposing they talk about 3 consecutive natural numbers. If they give you 2 consecutive natural numbers, so it is very easy. One is x, the other one is x plus 1. But if supposing they give you 3 consecutive natural numbers, one is this, and one is this. I can definitely write that 3 consecutive natural numbers, this one is x, second one will be x plus 1, third one will be x plus 2. Definitely this is right and you can handle this properly and you will get the answer right. But one more way I can do is that I will take this as x, middle number as x. Now if this is x, what is this previous number? Previous will be x minus 1. You will go one number back. If this is 5, the previous number is 5 minus 1, 4. Previous is always one number back and the other one will be x plus 1. Actually, I will always recommend you all people to take this combination and go when 3 consecutive natural numbers are given, 5 consecutive natural numbers are. This is the best combination. Of course, if you are very comfortable, but always play with numbers, my dear student. It is always nice to play with numbers because there is a huge combination that you all will be facing now, and you have to go with the huge combination in the right fashion. See, consecutive natural numbers will be always like that. They will go one after the other. And the other one is alternate numbers. Alternate numbers means leave one and then go. Like supposing 3 is there. The next alternate number will be 4 you have to ignore and then 5. 5, alternate number of 5 will be 6 you have to ignore and then that will be 7. So usually the alternate numbers, if first is x, the other one will be x plus 2. If this is 3, the other one will be 3 plus 2, the other one will be 5 plus 2. Otherwise 3 plus 2 and then this one will be 3 plus 4. Remember this. You have to think a lot on this. In the start you have to think, my dear students. Afterwards it is very easy. This is not stopping anywhere, my dear students. They can also give you consecutive, definitely they are consecutive, even numbers. Now see, consecutive natural numbers will always differ by 1, they will go on increasing by 1. And consecutive even numbers also will increase. Like supposing the first even number is 10, what will be the next even number? 12. So what is the relation now? 10 plus 2, that means if first number is x, we don't know, then the next number will be x plus 2. Same will be true for consecutive odd numbers. If one is x, the other one will be x plus 2. They will always go on increasing by 2. But the real game comes when alternate even number is asked. Alternate even number. Like supposing if one number is 4, the alternate means the next one will be 6 and uska next will be 8. Alternate even number. 4 ke baad is 6 and 6 ke baad, but then alternate this you have to ignore. So 4 and then 8. So this will be what? First is x, the other one will be 4x plus 4. This. And this you have to manufacture every time when you are solving. This will keep on manufacturing according to the given conditions that are there. Okay, my dear students, try to understand this. If you have understood this properly, listen to this part of the video again and again, and then only you can proceed further, my dear students. So we will start to solve. Okay. So now questions based on numbers. Okay, fine. First question is what? The product of 2 consecutive positive integers. See now, 2 consecutive, one after the other, positive integers. So let the smaller number be x. Smaller is x. The next consecutive positive will be therefore the other number will be, of course, x plus 1 consecutive. And then they are the product of this according to the given information. Product means multiplication, x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. That is all. We need to find the integers. That's all. This is very easy again. X into x, x square plus x. 306 comes over here, minus 306 is equal to 1. Is equal to 0. So now this 1 was in my mind. So of course I'll give a try to this. 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 7s, and then I have got 17. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. Very close. That's all. Simple. So this is going to be 18 17. Plus we'll go to the greater number, and the other one will be minus because I have to subtract the two numbers to become 1. And if I multiply this, plus minus 306. So this I'll get what? X square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. So now this x will go out, x plus 18 minus 17 will go out, x plus. Now 17 into what? 18. 17 into 18. X plus 18. You can do it in any way, my dear students. X minus 17 is still equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 18 is equal to 0, or x minus 17 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 18, or x is equal to 17. Fine. Since now what can be the reason? Now they have told you product of two positive integers. Positive integers. So you have to write since the given integers are positive, therefore x cannot be equal to minus 18, therefore x is equal to 70. Find the integer, therefore the smaller number is equal to x is equal to 17, larger number is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. These are the two numbers. Okay, my dear student, so with this we go to the next number. I hope you will be able to understand slowly, steadily as we go. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27. Now, you have to understand the way the information will be given. Accordingly, you have to change. Logics will change. Sum is 27. As I know, sum is 27. First number plus second number is equal to 27. Fine. Let one number be equal to x. So this is x. Therefore, the second number will be what? X goes on the other side, 27 minus x. Therefore, the other number will be equal to 27 minus. Write number, don't write n over here. I'm very sorry for this. I should not practice this, but I can't ignore that now. Lots to do, my dear student, lots. Let one number be x, other number will be 27 minus x. And now they're telling, again the same thing, product is 182. Okay, product of the two numbers is 182. So, according to given information, product x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Solve this. 27x minus x square is equal to 182. I shift everything over there. X square is shifted over there. Plus 182 is staying over there. 27x goes over there. Minus 27x. That's what happens. X square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now this I have to get. This will be slightly rigid, I suppose. 7 13 and then 13. I want 27 over here. So 7 2s are 14. So it's okay, fine. 14 and 13 will give me 27. Fine. 14, 13. Minus sign will go to the greater number. This also has to be minus. Then only I'll get minus 27. If I multiply them, plus 182. That's right. So I will go forward. X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. X gets out, minus 14 minus 13x minus has gone over there. This will be 13, right? 13 into 14. X minus 14. Therefore, x minus 14 is equal to 0, or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. That is done. So now you can see the two numbers, basically we are getting both the numbers because if one number is equal to x is equal to 14, the second number is equal to what? 27 minus x, that is 27 minus 14, that will be 13. If first number is 14, second number is 13. And if first number is equal to x is equal to 13, are you getting? First number can be 14 also, can be 13 also. If first number is 14, second number is 13, and if first number is 13, second number is equal to 27 minus 13 will be 14. This is the combination that they are going to have. 13, 14, 14, 13. Okay. So with this we go to the third question now. Third question is asking us, find two consecutive positive integers. Again, two consecutive positive integers means again that thing x and x plus 1. Sum of whose squares is 365. See, they have taken sum. But sum of what? Their squares. Means this also have to square and this also have to square and then find the sum. Sum of the reciprocal means first I will have to reciprocate and then I will find the sum. Sum of the squares means first I will have to find the square and then I will have to sum. So that is what? It is again very interesting question. These things will keep on changing, my dear students. But let the smaller number x, the greater number will be equal to x plus 1. So sum of the squares, therefore according to given information, sum of the squares, these are the numbers x plus 1. First I will have to square them and then sum them, and then that is going to be 365. Okay, my dear student, this of course x square plus, now this I will have to do x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365, since a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Always bracket this and keep. Okay. So now this will be x square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 1, 365 shifts over here, minus 365 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 364. Now you can think about taking 2 as a common factor. 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 2s are is equal to 2 shifts on the other side, you will get x square plus x minus 182. 0 upon 2 will be 0. So now this we will have to factorize. 182, 2 9s are 2 1s are 7, 13, 7 2s are 14, 14 and 13, again the same thing. So we will get x square plus 14 and 13, right? This will go to the greater number, this will be minus, if I multiply I will get minus 182. The x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. The x goes out of the bracket, x plus 14 minus 13, x plus 14 is equal to 0. I get x plus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Or now here they have told first two consecutive positive integers. They have already told it is positive integer. So since the given integers are positive, x cannot be equal to minus 14, therefore x is equal to 13. Smaller number is equal to x is equal to 13. Greater number is equal to x plus 1. That means it is going to be 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are getting this. not that difficult, but of course you have to practice, my dear students, because once you have a gap, then you will be finding some differences over here. The difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. Now there is no relation between the two numbers, consecutive hai, nothing is given. Difference of the squares of two numbers is 180, means whatever is the first number, it is equal to 180. Fine. So this is going to be slightly different. Like supposing if I take this second number to be x, let's go forward. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Yeah. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So always we will tell, let the larger number be equal to x. Let's proceed in this way. I don't know whether we'll be really falling in the right place, but this is my technique always. Wherever the condition is on the larger number, so I will keep larger number as x. Therefore, smaller number will be what now? It is 8 times. 8 times what? Square of smaller number. Oh. So what happens? See here. Square of smaller number. That means what happens? The smaller number is supposing b square. Smaller number is supposing b. The square of smaller number is going to be 8 times what? The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. It means 8 times x. Are you getting, my dear students? See, read it properly. Square. I don't know what is the larger number. The larger number I have considered as b. If larger number is b, so b square is going to be 8 times the smaller number. Sorry. Square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Larger number is x. So I don't know what is the smaller number. Smaller number is b. Smaller number is b. If smaller number is square, whatever is the smaller number, square of that will be 8 times the larger number, 8x. Therefore, b will be what? Root of 8x. Are you getting? Therefore, b will be what? Therefore, smaller number is equal to root of 8x. This square I have to remove. To remove this square, I will have to square root both the sides. Then this square will go. And that will be root of 8x. But then the difference, and now they are telling difference of the squares of two numbers. According to first information, difference of the squares of the two numbers. Now larger number is x. So x, smaller number is root 8x. Difference of the squares. If I take the difference of the squares, it is equal to how much? 180. See, very nice question this is. Are you getting? I found the information from this. What is x? X is going to, should I solve it again, my dear students? I'll do it once more. I don't know if you have understood it, then I'm very sorry I'm repeating it. You might get bored, but those who have not understood it. See, I'm taking the information from here. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. The information of smaller number is given on larger number. Let the larger number be equal to x. Therefore, the smaller number, but then that while giving information is telling square of smaller number, means whatever is a smaller number, square of the smaller number is equal to 8 times the larger number, means 8 times the larger number. Larger number I have taken it as x. Now I want to find the smaller number. The smaller number when I have to find, so I will have to remove this square. So for that I will have to take the square root of both the sides. Smaller will be equal to square root of that and this. Like this I found the information. Therefore smaller number is equal to root x, 8x. This is how I got it. And now they are telling difference of the squares. As I told you, a square minus b square is equal to 180. What is the first number? First number, always larger number will be first because they are subtracting. So larger number will be first. Larger number is x. Therefore, according to first information, square of the difference of the square. So first I will have to take square. Difference of what? Squares. So first take the squares and then the difference is equal to 180. Okay, this we will have to solve. So if I have to solve this, it is going to be very interesting now. Again, of course, this will get out x square minus 8x is equal to 180. So simple. X square minus 8x minus 180 will come over here is equal to 0. Now this is 18 tens are 180. 18 tens are 180, and then 18 minus 10 will give me 8. Fine. So minus will go over here and this will be plus. Then only I will get 8. If I multiply, I will get minus 180. That's right. So x square minus 180x plus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. X goes outside. X minus 18 plus 10 x minus 18 is equal to 0. X minus 18 x plus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 18 is equal to 0, or x plus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. Now what they have to have, they given any condition on the numbers. The difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. There is no condition. Nothing told. Now we have to see that whether this is possible. See, one thing we cannot do. See, if we consider smaller number is minus 10. If we consider smaller number is minus 10. Sorry, the larger number is minus 10 because larger number is x. Larger number is minus 10. Smaller number will be what? 8 into minus 10. That will not be possible. Square root of a negative number is not possible. And if smaller number is equal to minus 10, then the larger number will be a non-real number. Therefore, x cannot be equal to minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 18. Then you can tell larger. I am always confusing in this. If this is x is equal to 18, if larger number is equal to minus 10, then the smaller number will be a non-real number. Smaller number will be a non-real number. Therefore, x is equal to 18. Therefore, larger number is equal to x is equal to 18, and smaller number is equal to root 8x. That will be root into 8 into 18. This will be what? 8 8s are 64, 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This will be the two numbers. Okay. So this is okay. You can counter check, my dear students. When the two numbers are like this, they have told sum of the squares. Difference of the squares is 180. To take the square of this and find the difference of this, it should be 180. Okay. With this, we have finished the fourth question, and then we can move to the fifth question, and that will be our last question of the day, my dear students. So sum of the squares of two consecutive natural even numbers. See, now that is the thing. Two consecutive natural even numbers. Consecutive even numbers. Fine. Let the smaller number be x. Therefore, the next even number will be x plus 2. Consecutive है x plus 2. The same they would have two alternate natural even number, so it would be x plus 4. Now sum of the square, sum they have taken, and but sum of what? Sum of what? Sum of squares. Squares. Okay, so this will be x square, x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 244. That is done. Okay, my dear student, this you should be able to solve. X square plus x plus 2 the whole square, this will give you as x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 244, since a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus t square. So this will give you x square plus x square, 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 4x minus 240 is equal to 0. Always reduce it. I'll take out the common factor, x square plus 2x minus 2, 120 is equal to 2 will go on the other side, will divide x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now 120 to 12 tens are 12 tens will give you 120. This will be plus, this will be minus. If I subtract, I'll get 2. That's all. So multiplication will be minus 120. That's done. X square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. X into x plus minus 10 into now plus 12. X plus 12. X plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 10. Any condition on the signs? Natural even number. They have given that their numbers are natural even numbers. So since the given numbers are natural, therefore x cannot be equal to minus 12. Therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore smaller number is equal to x is equal to 10. Larger number is equal to x plus is equal to 10 plus. You can take the square of these numbers, 100 and 144, add the two numbers, it will be 244. Okay, my dear student, with this we are done with today's lecture. So next will be, of course, very important questions on speed, amount of work done and all. They are definitely good marks holding questions. So they are 10 of them, and then some miscellaneous questions here and there. That's all, my dear students. We'll see to it that we make it soon. Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe, and most important, stay happy. I love you all, my dear students. Waiting to see you all long. Love you lots. Bye.